Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just showing you guys here the depilatory heater that I purchased. Now this is the box it comes in. I'm showing you what it looks like, the waxing methods, what the back of the box is saying. Now this is the non-woven wax paper that is used to apply to the wax in order to remove the hair from the area. This is now the wax heater where you place the actual wax into it in order to warm it up so it would be more pliable when it's attached to the skin. Trying to maneuver that with one hand. So patience guys. Now this is the actual wax here. It's water soluble. Didn't notice that when I was filming this. And this is what the power cord looks like guys. So we're going to demo this real quick. Okay, so this is the depilatory heater. I had it plugged in for 25 minutes. These are the strips, and we're gonna see if it works better than sugar wax or the wax pot that I usually use. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add some powder to the underarm. This is the amount of hair I have. Not much, but we're going to try. Here coming off. It's not coming off. Maybe I would want it to come off like all at once, but it's coming off. I'll just use any other part of the strip that I did not have here. Maybe I should pull this way. No, won't pull that way. Somebody back. So I am the one who was doing something wrong, right? So we're going to hold it this way and roll it on. Notice it's rolling way easier now. Gonna get a strip. Here is coming off. So oh well, all the hair came off. I think I using my viewfinder as my mirror, so that's what's going on, but it appears as though all the hair came off. So I'm just going to make sure everything came off. And okay. So I'm going to tackle this arm and I'll show you guys in a second. Okay, so I'm done with the waxing process. Again, I'm using the viewfinder, so if it's not all the way clean, I'll be able to see when I go and take a bath. Okay, to rate this 1 out of 10, I know for a fact that it's a learning curve. It is way less messy than the wax pot, in my opinion. But it takes way longer in order for it to hot up. And then I have sugar wax as well from Nude Girl Organics, and that's just too sticky for me. I really and truly don't like it. I haven't used it in a while. Now they say sugar waxing is really and truly good for you, but to tell you the honest truth, the messiness of it, I would rather not. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this a 7.5. Of all the methods, I think I like this one the best because it's easier for me to use it on myself, because to use it on anybody else it's easy, right? And I haven't did the ultimate test with this, which is the bikini line, right? A full Brazilian, but I'll come back to you guys and let you all know how that goes. Just jumping in with a quick update. So I now finished my bath and clean up with the depilatory wax heater was very easy. It is water soluble, so what I did is I just used basically some warm water and I wiped down the machine. I wiped down the top of the roller ball and it it clean basically very easy. As well as when I went to take my bath, I usually use a bath cloth or exfoliating cloth when I'm doing my my shower routine, and it cleaned up very clean. Now all I have to do is just basically, well, I can't use any glycolic acid because that is going to burn the area, but I'm just going to soothe it with maybe some aloe vera or something like that, and it worked very, very well. And because it's water soluble, I would give it an 8.5 out of 10, because I thought I would have need oil like when I'm using my other wax pot, because when there's residual wax from the wax pot, water does not get it off. You have to use oil to get that off. So thank you guys for watching, and if you all have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to answer them. So I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.